A tree whose leaves can be used as plates. What a fantastic tree it is. Introducing Takip Asin, Macaranga grandifolia of the family Euphorbiaceae. The genus name Macaranga comes from the Malay word Macaranga, which refers to a type of tree. This genus includes various species found primarily in tropical regions. The species name Grandifolia is derived from the Latin where grandis means large or great and folia means leaves. Thus, Grandifolia translates to large leaf, indicating the prominent leaf size of this species. Takip Asin is an indigenous, fast-growing evergreen tree that thrives in second growth forest at low elevations and is reported to be locally abundant. It can easily be distinguished from other adjacent plants because of its very large rounded leaves. Its wood is used to make fishing spears. The latex or resin produced by this plant is used as an astringent gargle to treat mouth ulcers. Bark fibers can be made into twine and the large leaves can be used to wrap food or as plates in some villages. In Ilocos, the bark, leaves, and fruits are included in preparing a fermented drink called basi, made from sugar cane. Takip Asin is also known for its English name, coral tree, due to its coral-like male flowers, which are the main reason why this plant is commonly planted as an ornamental plant in gardens, public spaces, and roadways. This is Max. Caring for the environment is not only a choice but a responsibility. Our efforts, even if small, when combined, can make life for a better future. Thank you and God bless.